In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a database in Notion. Quick tutorial. Color coding your database is a simple way to make information pop and help you scan your workspace faster. Whether you're tracking tasks, notes, or projects, conditional color lets you highlight rows based on the content of a specific property, and it updates automatically as your data changes. Start by opening your database in a table view so you can see your rows and columns clearly. Look to the top right of the database table and click the settings icon. This opens the controls for how your database looks and behaves. Next, choose Conditional Color, then select New Color Settings. This is where you'll define the rule that tells Notion when to apply a color and which color to use. You'll see options to choose the property the rule will watch and the color you want it to apply when the rule matches. Pick the property you want to base the color on. This can be anything in your database: a status field, a select or multi-select tag, a checkbox, a date, or even plain text. After choosing the property, select the color that best represents the state you want to highlight. Notion's palette gives you several options, so go for something that is readable and has good contrast with your text. By default, the rule is set to when selected property is not empty. That means any row with something in that property will get the color you chose. If you prefer more precision, you can make the rule apply only to specific contents in that property column. For example, you might color rows green when the status is done, or color rows red when priority equals high. If your property is a select or multi-select, choose the exact option you want the rule to target. If it's text, you can match a specific word or phrase. The key idea is that the color appears only when the content meets the condition you set. Once you've picked the property, set the condition you want, and chosen the color, Notion applies the change right away. You don't need to manually save anything. If the color looks too strong or too subtle, you can come back to the same conditional color settings and adjust it at any time. Remember, this coloring is visual only. It won't change your data or formulas. And there you go. That's all you need to add clear, meaningful color to your Notion database so you can spot what matters at a glance.